Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside since 3 weeks and a swing has formed at a level of $2.061. Okay, and this particular level, keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this level, then we can say it can move further low, because this is the level which is already a weak support. Okay, now there is a continuous upside since 3 weeks. Okay, if you look at, this is the first thing. Second thing, that there is a pattern forming after pandemic, and this pattern says that whenever it hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes. Okay, and a swing whenever, see, suppose this is for first high, it moved a move on a swing and then made a second high and a sharp fall come. Okay, third time it formed a swing, made a third high and then sharp fall come, and this is being repeated for 4-5 times continuously. Okay, and this swing continuously formed, and that is where it started going upside. Okay, after making a half around $9.98, there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this fall is because of Fed was continuously increasing interest rate, Russian war was there, USD getting straightened, and now see, USD, suppose if the price of dollar is increasing, what will happen? The countries which are importing, okay, the same amount of natural gas will have to pay more for that particular amount what they might be importing. Okay, now a swing has formed at this particular level. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustains this level, what we can see, it can go towards a level of around $2.502. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, it can go towards a level of around $2.556. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 2.669, which is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further high is there, and then we can see a level of 2.746. This 2.746 already a weak resistance, so chances of crossing a level of $2.806 is there, and once the price sustain above this level, it can touch a level of around 3.058. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above 3.058, it can touch a level of around $3.33. Okay, and if the price move of that level, it can touch a level of around $3.55. Keep that in mind. Once the price sustain above $3.5, chances of going further upside is there, and once it sustain above 3.5, then we can see a level of $3.98, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 4.13. Okay, and once the price sustain above 4.13, keep that in mind, a chances of touching 4.7 is on a higher side. Okay, again I repeat, 4.13 to a level of 4.37, these gap chances of filling is on higher side. So if the price sustain 4.13, chance of touching 4.37 is on higher side. Okay, now overall trend is downside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $2.239, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.269. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, it can come down towards a level of $2.091. This $2.091 is a weak support, so chances of crossing below further low towards a level of 2.047 is there, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further low. Okay, and it will come in this particular zone, so chances will be high it can go towards a level of $1.960 to a level of 1.919, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1.79, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $1.773 to a level of 1.662. Keep that in mind. If the price fall below this particular level, it can go further low, because this is the zone where the price of natural gas will move for quite some time. The price fall below a level of $2. Okay, and the zone where the price is moving is $3 zone and a $2 zone. So if the price sustain in this zone, then we can see it will move in this particular zone itself, and once it crosses $3, then we can see it can go further high, but if it crosses below $2, then we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, now suppose if the volatility is high, try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by two times, because your SL should not be hit before hitting the target. Okay, but if the volatility is high and you are putting the same quantity, okay, and reducing the SL, then probability of hitting SL will be higher. Okay, so if the volatility is high, try to increase your SL and targets by reducing your quantity to half. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.